fantastic new walkie-talkie has a novel and unique appearance. There are many styles to choose from. Today I will show you the model DK215. Parts show there is a battery, antenna with the clip and the charger. The assembly is also very convenient. It is easy to install the battery. And now we install the antenna. Connect the antenna and adjust it to the corresponding channel. Now it's finished. It can be used now. And every product will be equipped with charging cable and charging base. This is a waist clip. It can be used. It is more convenient to carry and can be worn at the waist.